second. People versus Dow's Equipment. There's an unregistered vehicle ticket and it's another tax ticket. Ms. Gillis, you're muted.
And Mr. Oakland, what happened with the unregistered vehicle?
We had purchased our license plates in February, like we will be shortly. And the vehicle was initially registered as a 32,000 pound plate. And the previous year, we had changed it to a 26,000 pound plate. When it was renewed, and I was just looking through the document there, it was renewed. Second, the renewal document that they sent me. I believe was for, let me look at it first, for 26,000 pounds. So when the calculations were done and the check was paid, it was paid for a 26,000 pound plate. However, somewhere down the line, I believe the Secretary of State felt that it should have been a 32,000 pound plate. And that's where they had sent us a letter. It wasn't until after the ticket happened, stating that we owed $218, I believe it was. So we had to pay that amount of money so we could get the plate reinstated. Through this whole event, the gentleman who was driving the vehicle had a medical issue. He only worked for us for 4 days, and that was his truck. He was pretty much my number one technician in the field. A heart issue that he could not return to work. So we weren't able to use the truck, and he wasn't there to use it anyway. So it just kind of went into limbo until I think in June, where I was able to finally get an appointment with Secretary of State because it had no license plate on it. They confiscated the license plate. So when we went in to get another plate, they said, well, you have to pay this $218. Well, we'd already paid it in the mail, but apparently it hadn't made it through. So I had to pay it again. So I paid that, and they gave me a 32,000 pound plate. So I'm really not sure what direction to go here.
Did they ever cash your check for the first time you sent it in?
I believe so, yes. And actually, I had proof of that when I went to the Secretary of State, and they said, I'm sorry, but we can't discuss this until you pay this fine. So I paid it again, and I'm at this point, it's up $218. I guess it is what it is. It's gone. So, and I have a license plate on the truck, which will probably switch back to a 26,000 pound plate. We rarely do we ever need that kind of weight on a vehicle. I don't know why it was at 32,000 pound to begin with.
You have double parking. No bad. It's charged twice though, but
The prosecutor's offering a double parking $200 ticket. So apparently you have to pay multiple times, and I apologize for that. It's not my case. And so if you're interested in taking that, and the other cases will be dismissed, and you'd have to pay the $200 within 30 days.
We can do that.
I'll amend the one ticket to a double parking, pay the $200 either online on the court's website or mail it in, or you can stop by live, pay it within 30 days. Okay.
Okay. Are they
And I'll
open to pay?
Yep. Monday through Friday, the doors are well, you can pay the court officers. They take it up front if you show up between 8:30 and 3:30. Okay.
Okay.
You're all set.
Is
Thank
that for
you.
both of the violations that we had?
That is for both of the violations.
Okay.
Correct.
All right.
That
Well,
$200 and the other one's dismissed. Correct.
thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome. Have a good